Yeah, I have problems with a lot of people in this respect. People that say and do things in relationship to Jewish people, to black people, to Asian people, to gay people. And if you follow the same person around, you'll see they'll usually do it to just about every one of those groups. Because it's the same quality of thinking, you see, that I think leads to that. So what do? Well, to tell you the truth, a lot of the time I try to put myself as far away from such a person as I can, to be honest with you. I don't always choose to go to war over it, because if I did that every time, I'd spend nothing else except my whole life talking to people who make statements like that. But if this was important for me to do something about it, then I would probably, for me, since that behavior gets to me an awful lot. So if I really wanted to talk to these people, I'd probably first go off to a giraffe and say, hey, there's some stuff going on in my school, some people saying things about gay people, and it's driving me crazy. And I'm afraid if I don't get my feelings under control, if I start to deal with them about it, I'm going to jackal the heck out of them and make matters worse. So that's what's going on in me right now. Yeah, so you're in a lot of pain. You'd really like to talk to these people, but you need to get your feelings under better control until you do. Yeah, you know, it just... First, I turn into a jackal. I start to label them, and I start to say that these people are really, you know, Nazis. They're bigots. And I know that that's doing the same thing to them that they're doing. I'm classifying them. I'm turning them into objects. But by God, when I get angry, that's just what I want to say. I want to call them names. Yeah, so that creates a lot of pain in you, and you want to scream names at them, and yet you feel discouraged because you can see that that's just playing the same game that they're playing. Yeah, but my God, it really hurts when I see how they ridicule and dehumanize people. Yeah, so it really hurts. It really hurts. Yeah. Whew, Giraffe, thanks a lot for that listening. I needed to talk about those feelings. Yeah, okay, I think I got my pain under enough control to go and talk to that jackal.